Hey guys, welcome to my shop. My name is Subbu and this is my first video. I'm going to take you through how I build push blocks that are very safe to use, results in very accurate cuts, and more importantly, super cheap. Just 2x4s and a yoga mat. Check it out. So you can use the push block to apply both downward pressure because the yoga mat is really sticky, and forward pressure. The little catch at the bottom does it. You don't really need that catch, but I made it movable so you can get it out of the way if you don't need it, and if you're using the push block right in the front, if you're using like a push through type of a approach like I'm showing right here, so you can just push it through, and then when you need a catch you can put it in the back, and the catch just goes out of the way. So here, let's look at how to make this. I'm just cleaning up a couple of 2x4s. I picked 9 inches as my length. It could be any length, so I'm just setting 9 inches here in my crosscut sled and chopping it away. So the yoga mat, I've kind of made it so it wraps around the edge, at least on one edge. This way, if I'm gonna push through like a short workpiece, I really don't have to waste the bottom surface. I mean, these are pretty disposable, but I just figured I'll get a little extra use when I'm using thin material. And I'm just using contact cement to get the yoga mat on to the 2x4 block. This is tacky. I just put it on put the 2x4 on the yoga mat and apply some pressure and clamp the two pieces together. It took just a few minutes for it to really dry, and then I just trim all the excess pieces. I'm getting excited here, just checking on how sticky this is. Now the handle, I gave it a little angle. I mean, the idea here is it might apply a sideways pressure towards the fence. So I gave it a, 5 degrees from vertical, so 84 or 85 degrees from the horizontal is what I set. You can experiment with it. This is my old push block. That's basically two pieces of 2x6s screwed together with the, it's not a yoga mat, but it's like similar material at the bottom and a handle screwed on top. So I probably should have done the handles and attached the handles before I put the yoga mat here. So I'm now having to mark 2 points where these two would meet. So equidistant from the edge on the handle, and then the base, and I'm using dowels to join them together. I mean, you really don't need dowels, but I wanted some sort of a mechanical attachment. Of course, not a screw, because it's on a it's going to be a sacrificial surface on a table saw. I don't want to push a metal screw through the blade by mistake, so I just wanted to put the dowel. It gets a little tricky in how you drill the hole, only because the vertical surface is a few degrees off of center. So you'll see what I mean when I'm drilling the hole. The base is pretty simple, 90 degrees, and I'm just kind of visually doing it. And here I have to hold the drill at an angle so that when the handle is on top of the base, it forms a perfect straight line, so the dowel would go in. Anyway, not rocket science. You can, when you visually see it, it's pretty easy to figure it out. That's it. Then we glue them up, clamp them up again. So now I decided to add a little adjustable lip to this, so that it can be absolutely secure. The yoga mat itself forms a very sticky surface, but if you're pushing something that is pre-finished, or if there's, the pre-finish should be okay, but it's the dust part. If there's a lot of dust, sometimes there is a chance it could slip. So I wanted to put an adjustable lip that can work both on the larger bottom surface as well as on the narrower side surface. So you can swing it on either direction. It's just a circular piece of plywood that I cut with the hole saw, and attached a little off center. There you go. Thanks for watching.